Hello students, we will do the next practical today in BlueJ. Today we'll write the program of the situation, the game that we have learnt while during theory of this chapter. Okay, the blue team and red team game. So students, you have to click on the BlueJ icon first. Then after that, you have to click on new project. Okay, the project I have already created. This is my project. And I have then after creating the project you have to click on new class. So here I have already created a class. You remember the code class, the same I am using. I will not create more classes. So you have to double click to open the code class. You will be able to see the coding of the class file. This is Java class file and its name is code. So students, let's type the game program. Before that, we will first line that we have to type is import java.util .scanner and terminating symbol java.util.scanner you have to write, and after that you have to write a function name void. You simply write game and then simple bracket, then curly bracket. Inside curly bracket you have to type the code. First of all, declare all the variables that we want. We want number, so int let it be red glass balls. I have already told you the rules of writing Java variable names or identifier names, so you have to write accordingly. You can use underscore to separate two words. Then after that, red chocolates. Okay, same you can copy and then you can replace it with blue. So you write comma space, and in place of red you write blue. Here also blue chocolates. Here these variables will hold the values which your teachers will enter. Okay, and after that we have to find the total also, so we need int. We'll write red total, blue total. Okay, now we have to input the value. So scanner KB we will take. You can take any thing in place of KB. Then you write equals to new scanner. New scanner, that is system.in. In the end you write terminating symbol. Now we will ask the teacher to enter some values. So system.out.println. I have already told you the use of println and print. So here you type enter red team glass balls. Okay, and then here you write this. We have to store in this value. Okay, so red, copy this one, the same. If you will type, you can make mistakes, so you can copy. You write equal to, and here you write kb dot next int. Got it? Now we will ask the user to enter some value, and that is why we are writing here user will enter the value. A number means teacher will enter the number of glass balls entered by red team. Now you copy the same. How many times? 4 things user will enter. Okay, so 4 times I am copying it. Now change the values accordingly. Okay, see, first one was for the red team. Now red team chocolates we will have to enter. So you write chocolates. Then here also copy this variable red chocolates, paste it here. red chocolates kb.nextInt. Got it? Now we will ask the user to enter blue team glass balls. Teacher will enter blue team glass balls here. So copy the variable blue team glass balls. Take blue chocolates from here and copy it here, and you write blue here and chocolates. If you don't want to waste time in typing, you can simply, whatever you have written, if the words are there, you can copy paste. Let's check whether the user is able to enter the values or not. We will write the next step later on. Here I've compiled the software, compiled the class file. Then you can see class compiled, no syntax error. You can go to the first screen, right click and click new code, click on OK. The code1 object will be created. Right click, click on void game. You can see void game function we have created. It will be visible here. Click on it. See, enter red team glass balls. Let it be 12, 10, 2, 20. Okay, so red team glass balls, red team chocolates, blue team glass balls, enter blue team chocolates. So all the values now teacher will be able to enter. So go to this and clear it, then close. Okay, you want to remove the class, you can remove, then minimize the screen. You have to find red total and blue total. So let it be red underscore. See, what are the variables that we have taken? We have taken red total here, so copy it. Okay, here we have taken blue total. We have to calculate both the values one by one. So let it be red total equals to how much? Red glass balls. You have to take the variables because variables are holding the values. Then plus red chocolates and terminating symbol. Now next, blue glass balls. Write equal to blue glass balls, then chocolates plus blue chocolates. And before that, students, you should initialize the red total value equals to 0 and blue total value equals to 0. If there is any value in the buffer, it will be initialized to 0. Then every time it will calculate the values according to the user enter the values at the runtime. Now we got red total, blue total. Now students, type the condition if red total is greater than blue total. Okay, then we will type the code. See, I told you to write the block of code in curly brackets. Here we will enter, we know we will enter only one line, but still you should be having habits to use the block of codes. Print ln, what will be the winner? If red total is greater, that means red team is the winner. Winner. Copy the code. Now put the next condition. Now this time blue total. Here you write blue. Here you write red. Okay, here you write blue now. Check the condition. If blue total is greater than red total, then blue team is the winner. Now again copy the condition. Here red total is equal to, for equal to we have to type equal to twice. We have to write equal to check the equality. Now we have to write it is a tie. It is a tie. So now students, let's check what this program does. Compile the program, no syntax error. Go to the first screen, right click the code class, click on new code, Then create an instance, that means the object of the class, and click OK. Now right click. Here you will be able to see void game function that we have created, in which we have written the code. Click on it. You will be able to see the output. Here now teacher can enter the red team glass balls. So red team glass balls, let it be 13. Enter red team chocolates, let it be 20. Enter blue team glass balls, let it be 15. And blue team chocolates, let it be 16. So who's the winner? Red team is the winner, you can see. So students, we have studied whole situation of the game, this red team and blue team game, in theoretical videos. I hope you understood how to write program for it now. And so students, enjoy coding. Thank you. Have a nice day.